YouTube, it's Erin, and I would like to welcome you to My Luxury Closet 529, a place where not everything is luxurious, but a lot of it is luxurious to me, and here I like to share some of those luxuries with you. Now, what I consider a luxury has been evolving over time. I used to cover primarily handbags and jewelry and fashion and vacations, and lately I've added some other things to the menu, and the one I'd like to talk to you about today is red light therapy. So I started my red light therapy journey last year around the time I started trying to lose a bit of weight. And interestingly enough, I think red light therapy has been associated with helping people lose weight to some extent, but it has a lot of benefits to it. I mean, if you Google red light therapy to find out what good it can do, it's amazing how long the list is. But regardless, I was going primarily for my skin, and let me just tell you, I was impressed. I started out going to a tanning place in my area, and they had a stand-up red light bed that did the jiggling, and then they had a sauna with a red light bar in it. And then they also had the light stem, which is a device that kind of folds around your face. Last fall, I decided to ask for my birthday for an at-home red light device. And my request, I guess you could say, was kind of jumping off the deep end because I went straight for a red light bed. Now, the red light bed that I have is by a company called Recover Red. It is an FDA cleared device, I believe. It's either FDA cleared or it was made in a FDA approved facility. And it's quite powerful. They've actually just recently made them more powerful, but it is not portable at all. Now, the bed I purchased has 1,000 watts of power, and it covers pretty much my whole body. It is 72 inches from end to end, and I believe side to side is 12 inches. So let's just say I'm not going to be taking it on any vacations, and that kills me because when I leave town and I can't bring my red light therapy bed with me, I feel like a little more worn down, a little more achy. My mood isn't as good. I notice my skin isn't quite as good. I mean, right away when I started red light therapy, I noticed that my pores were smaller and I felt like my skin was plumper. And so I have considered purchasing a portable device so that I don't have to fully give up my red light therapy when I leave the house. And so when Amiro reached out to me with such a portable device, I was intrigued. And so enter in the Amiro face mask. Now, I have this already opened, but here is the device that Amiro sent to me. Now, the red light bed I have in my home is purely red light and near infrared light. Those are the two types of light that go the deepest into your body. But Amiro's device has 3 different settings. And when I very first got it, I tried them all. And I've had this device for about a month. I've used it a couple times a week to complement the bed that I have. I have not been on vacation, so I haven't taken this with me, but I have gotten to experience it, and I can share with you some definite benefits to having this device on top of the full-on bed that I have downstairs. You'll notice it has kind of a sunglass type design for fitting on your face. And within it, it has silicone eye protection that completely seals out the light. Now, there are 173 bulbs, and I did a little conversion, and I believe this device is 10 watts. Now, it doesn't plug into a wall, so that's pretty good for a completely portable device. And what's even better is the milliwatts per centimeter squared that this mask delivers, because it delivers 162.5 milliwatts per centimeter squared. And my bed, which is a 1,000-watt bed, it offers 255 milliwatts per centimeter squared. So this device is offering a lot for the fact that it is portable. You can walk around, you can watch TV, you can do things while you have this on. On top of that, you can also use it not only on your face, but you can use it on your hair. Red light has shown to be beneficial in helping stimulate hair growth. And I've even used it on my décolletage area. And recently I've had a little bit of breakouts on my back, and I have put it around the back of my neck and upper back area as well. I did take some before and after pictures, and I will put those in as I'm talking. On the full frontal face shot, I think I can see a little bit of plumping in the after shot as compared to the before. I will note that because I'm in perimenopause, I am going through a breakout right now. So the after shots, there's more redness and inflammation than in the before shots. But I do see some reduction around my mouth in maybe some of the sagging skin. I have also had Botox done since I started with this device. I typically get Botox done every 8 weeks, and that does involve some work along my jawline and in my neck. However, I don't feel like all of what I'm seeing in the jawline is a result of the Botox. I think that the mask may have provided a little bit of additional benefit there. But the primary benefit that I have seen with this mask is with regards to acne. Now, I wouldn't use it on the blue light setting personally every day or even 3 times a week. That is the first setting. To turn it on, you hold down this button and it sets it to a 5-minute time. And this particular setting is the blue light setting, and it also has some other colors as well. On that setting, I've noticed when I do get like an ingrown hair in my chin, I am able to cut that inflammation by 80% after the first treatment, and I generally don't do more than 2 separate treatments. I'll generally do the 5-minute setting twice on that blue, what they call the purifying mode, if I do have any sort of a breakout, and I'm telling you, this thing has nipped it in the bud. Now, the reason why I said I wouldn't do the blue light all the time is because it has been linked in some studies to aging, and that's one of the other benefits of this mask is it has the firm and the glow modes, which offer red and yellow lights and near infrared lights, which are shown to help reduce melasma and to boost collagen production and be effective in anti-aging. So for me, again, the biggest benefit of this mask has been with that first purify mode. It's offered me a solution to a problem that I didn't have. And the other 2 modes, I'm going to get probably more power if I go downstairs, but having this to use red light and near infrared light and even the yellow light, which has been shown to help with melasma, which I have when I travel, is amazing. The other thing I really enjoy about this particular mask is if I am not quite tired enough when it's bedtime, if I do a couple of the glow and the firm modes, which are the 2 modes that include red light, I've noticed that I feel sleepier and I sleep better. So these are things I like about the Amiro mask. The price on this mask really can't be beat, especially with my coupon code, which is MLC90. It gets the price of this mask down to around $180 or $190. I'll put a chart up here so you can see how it compares with some of the other popular red light face masks out there. The one last thing I'd like to mention with this particular mask is that it is lightweight. You can stick the battery pack in your pocket of your robe if you're wearing a robe in the morning, or your pants or whatever, and move around to some extent. Now, I tend to like to do it when I am sitting on the couch watching television. You can surf your phone while you're doing it. I don't move around a lot, but having that option is super nice. So I think that'll do it with my introduction of the Amiro LED face mask. I think it is a super cool tool to have to dip your toes into red light therapy, to have a convenient travel option, to also help you if you have any flare-ups on your face like I do going through perimenopause, or like a younger person might in their teenage years or 20s even. It's a great benefit to have something that can kind of zap those acne spots instead of ending up creating a scar, which is what I tend to do when I get an ingrown hair, is I end up creating a scar. Now, I'm sure you saw in the title that I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing for you, and I cannot wait to show you that. And it just so happens that it's in this box from 24S. And a big reason why I picked this bag up from 24S is because I sold a bag. I sold my green Chanel Reissue bag because honestly, like I said in the video when I opened it, it wasn't quite the color I expected it to be. I thought it was going to be more blue. And I had a friend who wanted it. Actually, I had two friends who wanted it. And so I did go ahead and move that on to one of those lovely ladies. And I bought some clothes because I needed some clothes that fit. And I bought this brand new Louis Vuitton bag that's in 24S's Parisian packaging. You may recall recently for Christmas, I got another bag from 24S, and that was my Keep All 25 in that Hawaiian print. And that bag, it came through customs. It took a while, but it made it to me. I love it. And when I received it, I mentioned to you that now I have 6 Keep All 25s, but I have 5 Speedy 20s and 5 Speedy 25s, and that I might just have to get 6 of each of those. So this will bring me to 6 of one of those. So let's see what it is. This is the Parisian packaging from 24S. The last I checked, this bag was still available on that site. And let's just get into it. I believe this is from By the Pool from 2024. And you will notice I already have her glammed up. If you look here, I have a little laser created charm that is attached to the zipper pull. And then I have another one here, and these resemble Vivian, but they aren't Vivian. They're just inspired by her. I can hear my doggy scratching. And this charm, it actually came with a Lucky Speedy Soft 30 that I purchased. And I'll put the picture of it here as I'm talking. And I never thought that that bag went with this pink charm. And now I have a spot to wear this pink charm, and I can either wear it with Miss Vivian lookalike, or I can wear it on its own, or I can wear the Vivian on its own, but I just thought that they were so cute. Now, both the bags I got from 24S recently did get hung up in customs for around a week. And this time it was somewhat weather related, I believe. It went through Memphis, but they both made it to me. The Keep All 25 had a little bit of dirt on the handles. This one didn't have any of that. And the alignment on it is just perfection, which is something I'm always looking for. And then it is also made in France. I mean, look at that alignment. Is that not perfect? The other really cool thing about this beauty is the interior. Look at that beautiful floral pattern. It comes with a lock and key. I don't think I'm going to put that on this bag. And it also comes with this super white, well, it's cream colored, but super light cream colored strap. And it is shiny. And honestly, I don't really like it. But never fear, I just got a bag that has the same treated vachetta. And in fact, my Speedy Soft 30 has this same treated vachetta as well if I wanted to use this on the shoulder, but I don't think it's a shoulder kind of bag. I think it's a top handle kind of bag, or it's a crossbody kind of bag. Here's one more peek inside now that I've got that strap out. I think I have to stand up and show you this beauty on with the Keep All 25 strap. Now the Keep Alls often come with a strap like this, and if I were to use this, I would spray it with Colonel Carbon Pro for the fabric before I did so. Although this vachetta is the treated vachetta, the fabric I don't trust as much. Since it has that shimmer, it may be somewhat more resilient, but I just like this leather strap. And the Keep All 25 leather strap, it is so good. So there it is. And of course, I could drop it down a little lower if I wanted to, but I don't feel like I need to. The outfit I have on is by Z Supply, and it is so comfy. And I kind of picked it because it's so comfy, and I think it coordinates nicely with this bag. Now this charm, you can purchase these on Etsy, and I will link the Etsy shop down below. She recently changed her name, and I can't remember it, but you can really customize. Like, I got to pick the color of the metal behind. I requested a mirrored back versus a gray kind of matte back. And you can pick different designs to go on the head, as well as different floral designs to go over the eye. Now this one didn't have that option, but I was able to select the color of wood, which I matched to the vachetta leather as best as I could. And then I also picked the mirrored back as well as the type of clasp. So that is my new little cutie. She has a space all reserved. I was just waiting for this video before I put her in her cabinet. And also I haven't worn her yet either, but she is sort of a spring summer type bag. So now you know what's going to happen next. I am going to try to add a 6th Speedy 25. I think I already have it picked out. I have tried a couple of times and failed to pick up this one particular Speedy, and my sales associate is on the hunt for me. So fingers crossed that it all pans out. And if you want to try to guess down below what Speedy 25 I might pick up, you will have to give it a shot. I want to give one more thank you to Amiro for sending me this mask. I am enjoying it, especially for the acne treatment, as well as kind of that calming effect of the red light, especially on days that I don't want to go downstairs and take off all my clothes and lay in the bed for 40 minutes. It's nice to have just a little pick-me-up that I can do upstairs real quick, real easy, even when I'm doing the laundry. I just can pop it on and do 2 5-minute sessions and get that little boost in collagen production in my face. Make sure to use my code if you decide to pick one up. It's MLC90. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. If you haven't found me on Instagram yet, the name there's the same. It's the @ symbol, then myluxurycloset529. You can DM me there, or you can email me at myluxurycloset529@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.